JD Cap here, 26, for Just Do the Tips and Repairs. This is an oxygen condenser, which I have to use at night and when I lay down. It's set to 2 liters, and that's set over here. Okay, your oxygen guy will come by every so often to check your machine. Okay, and they check it by this nozzle here with a meter and to see if your output is correct. My output was not correct. It was lower than 2 liters. I'm sorry about that. 2 liters. So make sure you have this checked periodically, and that goes to this machine over here, which is a cpap. It goes into this line right here and feeds into the cpap, which is compressed air, okay, to keep my ventilation going through my throat when I lay down. This is very important if you have this set up. Do clean the filters in the back of the machine, and there's also a filter on the side of the condenser that I just showed you. Right there is the filter right there that pops off. You take the filter out and you clean it with water, and then you squeeze it out, get all the dust and lint out of there. So I just want to show you that, and I hope this helps you. I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching. Please rate and subscribe and support my channel. We'll see you next time.